Hey there, Dave here. Hey, so I'm just going to go over basically what I did. I went ahead and set everything up because it was quite boring listening to me set everything up because I had to change like the ad copy and everything, and I wasn't like 100% ready. So I'll just walk you through basically how I set everything up. So I'd like to draw out exactly what I did with a mind map. I probably draw it and then just send it to you. But basically, the overall deal is you want to set up an ad with website conversion. So creating this ad, I basically duplicated it off another ad set just to make everything easy. And I was using the same video and everything as well. So what I did was I basically went here into this campaign, and then I just wanted to duplicate this ad set, which, as you see, this ad set here is because it was doing great, right, for December, and the other ones were a little bit more expensive. They were still doing good. So that's what I did, and I just went and duplicated it. And when you hit duplicate, I created it in a new campaign. But if you're starting from scratch, the first thing you're going to do is you hit create in the campaigns, and you're going to do website conversions and continue, and then set it up that way. So this is how it all lays out. So you're going to do this first. You have to do this first, and the reason why is because after you do this, you're going to go set up the audiences for retargeting for that specific video or videos, but this is just one video. And then you have to create the audiences first, and then you can create the retargeting campaign. So it's first website conversions, ads, create the ad, and I'll walk you through that real quick. So we're going to do that, and then the final thing you're going to do is set up video views, and this is based off of this video post ID, because you're basically building up this video with video views and social proof, and you have to use the same post ID, which is when you open it up, it will be this string of numbers here, and I'll show you that as I walk through it. So, okay, first you go set up the ad. I'm going to click into it, so we'll go to the ad set. I'll hit edit, and I'll kind of walk you through this. So name it. This is just how I name it. It's a lead ad, 20 miles out, men and women, 25 plus. It's on auto, which means auto placements. 7 days. Click. You can choose 28. There's another video. I won't get into that. And then the video name, I just named it Video 3 Black Car, and then name, phone, email is. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have two different landing pages, one with a survey and then one with, let me just open this one up, one with a name, phone, and email. Let's go here, here, and this is the one I'm testing first, and then I'll just split test it here. So I have two different landing pages, one with a survey, everything's exactly the same, and you come here, and this one's just the name, phone, email. I'm trying to figure out which one works better. Make sure it's the same thing. Yeah, okay. All right, so let's go back here. Take that away. And then, so I named it. You're going to select your pixel. Conversion event should be lead. I'm just doing $5 a day on this one. And then choose your location. In here, just have 20 miles. As you can see, you can go to 10 to 20. People, make sure you choose people living in this location. And then the age group, it's just wide open, 25 plus. All genders, men and women. Automatic placements, and then you would hit go to next, and then so this is the ad set, the ad itself, and then so Facebook page, single image. This is where you would upload your video, and then in here you can do all your different copy. I use emojis. I put the link in there, as you can see. I create a scarcity, and then I'll also do a scarcity from the headline. I'll do like 3 spots left, 2 spots left, because Facebook rotates these headlines. I think there was a way that you could pin this, but I don't see it anymore. Maybe, I don't know, weird. I saw someone the other day you could pin the primary text of which one that you chose. So make sure the link works. Call to action, I just have get quote because that's what they're going to do. Select your website events, and that's it. And then you would hit publish. All right, so here's the trick when you're setting up this lead conversion ad. Right here in the edit, and then we're in the ad itself in this portion of the ad. So under the preview, you're going to hit this little button here, and then you're going to click Facebook post with comments, and and then this string of numbers. So it ends. You're going to copy this. I put it like in usually a little text file like this, so I can see it or copy it in a minute because I'm going to need it shortly. I already did this, so I'm just kind of walking you through how exactly I did it. So copy that. I'll just leave it open if you want, or you copy, and then you can like the video as well. Oops, I didn't mean to close that out. Let's go. Okay. And then this is how you would take that video, and then you're going to do, or the video string of numbers, and you're going to go back into campaigns, and then that's when you go set up the video views next. Okay, so you would hit create, and then here you do video views, and then I already did that, so I'm just going to go walk you through this one. And here's where you would do it. So I'm in the ad set, hit edit. So this is what you would see when you're setting this up. The daily budget, the start date starts tomorrow. The location, I usually put the exact same location. I put 25, so 5 more miles. Age, men and women, 18 plus. I don't care that it's not 25 plus because I'm just like trying to get video views really. Automatic placements. Now let's go to the ad itself. And then so here's where you would enter the post ID. Obviously name it however you want. This is how I do mine. And then here where it says enter post ID, if it doesn't show this right away, which it may not, just hit ad setup, and then because at first it's going to say create ad because you're not going to have anything. Hit use existing post, and then this will pop up where it says select post. It'll say that if it's brand new. You hit enter post ID, and then that's where you would put those string of numbers, which I saved them here, and you would just do this, and boom, right there. I already did that, so, and then I'll just show you that is the exact same 5034. It's showing it right here, but just to show you, Facebook would post. It should come up in a second. 5034. So there it is. And that way, whenever I'm doing the video views, I'll just cancel this out. The video views here, it's the same exact video, so it's building up the video in the lead ads. And then the last thing you want to do is the retargeting. You can do all this at once. Is retargeting for, I'm retargeting for the people that are watching this video, and it's the same video here. So people that are clicking on this lead ad or the video, watching the video, they all go into the same bucket. I'm retargeting them with this one. So this is how you do it. The first thing you want to do is build up your audiences for that video. Now obviously I already did this. So you're going to go to audiences. You click these little business tools here. Go to audiences. And then you're going to create the audience. Now mine's already done, but as you can see here, like I created for that black car ceramic, which is the video that I'm promoting from the very first ad, which is this one here. I'll click into it and show you the video, into the ad, and then so it's this video here. Okay, 5034. Okay, let's go back, and then so if I went, so you're not going to have anything here at first. So there's a couple of things you need to do when you're setting this up initially. You're going to create the leads for 180 days, and then the video, our website visitors, I do it for 30 or 7, 30, 60 days, and 180. And I'll show you why in a minute. So you're going to create audience, custom audience. And then for the video, you're just going to hit video, people that viewed your video. So I usually do 50, 75, and 95. And then you pick the days. So for example, let's just do 95%. You're going to choose a video. First, you have to choose your page, Ceramic King. And then here is that black car video, and just, oh, it's actually this one, black car ceramic. If I select that, I would select that post. But so say you didn't know if it was that video or not. Let's see. These are all my videos. But I know there's only one in here, so sometimes you may have a couple because you might have did a bunch of posts with them. Campaign. Select by campaign. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, video ID. Huh. Cool, I didn't know you could do that. Let's see if it comes up. Yeah, it selected it like that. I didn't even know you could do that. That's pretty cool. Let's do that again. So I have the video ID just to make sure you get the right one. Hit video. Let's say 95% choose video. And here you can select by the video ID. And then that's it. And remember, I got that number that I saved in my text file. And then I got that from doing this. And then so you just take the ID, select it in here, pop it in there, and you hit confirm. Weird how it's not coming up now. Well, let's just go back to the Facebook page. So it would be that one. You would select the video, confirm, enter number of days. So you want to do 30 days. Enter the audience name. So I'll just do like video views, 95%, 30 days. And then description, I'll say like black car ceramic or whatever it is. And then that was it. Let me do this again. I'm curious about that video. Choose video by video ID. Weird how it doesn't let me do it this time. Huh, interesting. It's not doing it now. Whatever. All right, and then that's how you do it. And then so I did one video view 95%, 50%. So just do like 30 days at first. You can do that. And then so you do that, and then you're going to go back to audience or ads manager, and you're going to go create your retargeting ad. So you just hit create. You do conversions, leads, and then you would do walk through that. I'm not going to do that because I already did it. Let's throw that away. I'll walk you through it though. And then this is the ad set. This is the ad set, and then name it. And then so what I'm going to do is the first one, name it, start date, now, website conversions, lead, event. I put retargeting, website conversions, ABO, this is a city, video views 30 days, exclude website visitors for the last 30 days. Set up, so I did all the video views in the last 30 days for 3 different videos, is why I have 3 of them, because I have 3 different videos I did from the last 30 days. I want to capture some of those people. And then I'm excluding the people that went to the website in the last 30 days also. So people that went to the website that didn't sign up, I don't want to retarget them. I want the new people. You can also do, you know what I'll do real quick is website visitors and excluding leads. So let's do that. Let me finish walking through this one first. Automatic placements, and then on the ad, this is I'm using a new video. So basically they don't see the same thing, it's a little different. And then it just says a couple different things. Still interested, you know, a couple little emojis catch your attention. And the headlines, a couple different ones, destination website, make sure website is the one you want, and then call to action, hit publish, and then we will duplicate this real quick, and then I will change it. Let's go here. Let's duplicate it. I don't want to split test it, but I'll do my own because it's not the exact same. So duplicate, and then what I'm doing, the difference here is I'm doing website views 30 days, exclude leads. Okay, $3. Take all these out. And then so where I'm getting these audiences, I already created these audiences, right? That's where you go in the audiences, take this one out. So I'm going to include website visitors. Here we go. Website visitors last, let's just do 180, even though they've only been here for 60. Let's do 180, and I'll exclude leads. Boom. So now the people that went to the website but did not become a lead, now they're in a different bucket. They're going to see the same video. I could create a new one, but whatever. So website visitors for 180. All right. 180, and then exclude leads. Exclude leads 180. That's it. And then go to the ad itself. And then so they're going to see the exact same. Everything else is the same. So I'm kind of split testing it, but not a true one, but that's it. Everything's the same. So I'll just hit publish, and now I'll have 2 retargeting ads. Hope this all makes sense. Again, you have to do them in that order because the very first thing, whenever you create that website conversion lead from that video will create that post ID, which is this, okay, which is important, these string of numbers. And then I showed you how to find it, right? Just to recap here. So you do that, and then you can go create your video views there. Excuse me, I was pointing the wrong one, but same thing. So you're creating this website conversion first, and then from that you create the video view ad, and then from there you go create the audiences from that video, which is the initial video, and then you go create your audiences, like I said, and then your retargeting campaigns. So that's kind of how I do the retargeting campaigns. Just to show you, like the other ones that we did, like we spent a lot on this one. $60. I only got 2 leads, which was terrible. And that was video views for that Maserati, 75% to websites. The one that did work was, so it's the exact same thing, video views 75% excluding website visitors for 30, so exact same kind of audience. But this video, I don't know why I just didn't convert. I got 4 here, right? Spent $30, got 4 leads. Let's see what this video was. I don't know why. Oh, it wasn't a video at all, I don't think. Let me see. Maybe it was. Oh yeah, it was that small little. It was just like a picture with the dice rolling. And it's it's so funny. This is why you test stuff. Is because a guy I talked to said this would never convert because he doesn't know what this was. He's like, I don't know what that is. It's like, yeah, but you're not in the mind frame of the audience that I'm retargeting them with something that says ceramic coating. What do you think it is? It's not a cow, dude. Okay, it's paint. He said, oh, I don't know what that was paint. Well, you can't ask somebody that is not in the mind of what your customer or the potential lead just looked at. They just saw a video from Ceramic King Coatings showing them a black car, right, with the paintwork before and after. And now I'm showing them like the close-up of it. So they know what it is, and that's probably why it was converting. You know what, I might use this same video just to just everything exactly the same as far as the ad copy, but do this video. Let's do it because the video is working pretty good. So let's do the pick dice. Let's do that. So go back into retargeting, create this. So I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna change the video to the dice again. We're gonna say video dice. Actually, I don't need that there. Everything's going to be the same. Go into the ad itself. I'm going to change it. Video dice. And how do you do it? Edit media. Change video. Where's the dice? Right here. I got a bunch of them. This is where I was like pointing it out or whatever, like calling it out. But let's just choose that one. See what it looks like. So everything's still the same, and it's just the dice rolling. It's just a picture with the dice. It's like real quick. So that's it. So we got a couple of different options for them to choose from. All right, man. Look, if you got any questions, I know. Sorry if it's kind of boring or it was all over the place a little bit, but that's how the layout goes, man. Let me know if you have any questions.